Media friends, please get ready for the first post-game press conference session with the head coach of the Manchester United, Mr. Ruben Amorim, here now with our media friends. 各位媒體朋友，我哋今日嘅賽後記者會，首先我哋請嚟到曼聯嘅主教練阿摩廉。
Laurie, do we have a microphone? Yep.
Hi Ruben, what did you make of the game and in particular Chido Performance's performance, the kind of striker that he is that what you want to see more of from him?
I think he proved already that in the under-18s that he can score goals. Of course, Premier League is a completely different world, but he's a good start. He's working really well, and I'm really pleased with all the kids that we brought. And compared this game to the last one, I think was the way we faced the game. And we were losing in the first half, but the first half was completely different from the last game, and that was a good thing for today.
Can I ask you? Oh, sorry, go on.
首先呢，第一個問題就問到啦，今日啦，兩位嘅年輕球員，包括咗奧比同埋希芬都有入波，咁啊問一問教練對於今日佢哋嘅整體表現同發揮有啲咩評價？咁佢哋當然咧能夠見到年輕球員有好嘅發揮，固然好。雖然話佢哋去到喺大聯盟嘅時間，可能咧都仲需要有更多磨練。不過整體見到今日喺上半場嘅發揮嘅陣容，同埋喺下半場咧係完全截然不同嘅陣容。咁所以咧出到嚟咧，亦都有唔同嘅表現咧，可以俾到大家欣賞。
Can I ask you for your understanding of Al Hilal's approach for Bruno Fernandes and whether that might have been Bruno's last game for United?
I don't think so. I don't know for sure. Nobody knows, but I don't think so. I think he's seeing us taking some actions to change all the things, and I think that is all that he asks. I think he wants to stay. He's saying no to a lot of things. But it shows that he wants to win, and I think he's really young, he's really good. He needs to be on the best league in the world.
And do you think, sorry, just to follow up, in terms of the money potentially being available from Al Hilal to the club can turn that down, though?
Sorry?
Do you think that the amount of money that Al Hilal are offering, supposedly, the club can turn that down? Given the financial picture?
we can find another way to win money.
咁啊，當然啦，亦都問到咧，就係隊長班奴費南迪斯會唔會就已經咧係已經上陣咗最後一次代表曼聯嘅一次上陣？咁當然佢教練都希望咧呢一個係暫時係未係一個嘅事實。咁啊，雖然咧就係喺沙地阿拉伯嘅奧後啦，咁啊亦都咧係最近有消息傳出係要去羅致班奴費南迪斯，但係目前佢哋所收到消息，亦都知道佢哋同班奴費南迪斯嘅溝通咧係未有出現話任何佢必定會離隊嘅決定嘅。咁啊，亦都佢哋都會將會曼聯呢，希望能夠可以比對到咁啊沙地阿拉伯球會能夠可能提價俾到費蘭迪斯，咁啊可以我哋亦都好希望佢能夠喺嚟緊呢一季繼續留效曼聯。
Ruben, do you speak? Have you spoken to Bruno? I don't know how it works. Do you have to have a conversation with him to clarify the situation, or?
No, I'm of course I'm the manager, I'm the coach, but sometimes it's a decision of the player. But of course I talk with him, I explain things, and I just have that feeling when I talk to someone. You have the feeling if he wants to stay. Of course, sometimes in a lot of games this season he was so frustrated, but he knows what we are doing. So the feeling that I have every time I speak with him is that he wants to continue. For sure in Manchester United, but you never know.
咁啊，當然啦，記者亦都追問到啦，關於班奴費南迪斯喺教練阿摩廉同嘅溝通上邊，點樣可以引證到佢嚟緊係將會繼續留效曼聯呢？咁啊，阿摩廉都覺得大家嘅溝通咧其實係非常之好，咁啊，大家亦都有唔同嘅交流，咁啊，亦都喺兩個人嘅溝通當中咧，亦都感覺到佢係想繼續留效喺曼聯嘅。
Ruben, finally, has this trip been useful? And also, when you look at the players that you've got, the lessons that you've learned over the last 6-7 months, do you know what you think the makeup of your squad should be when you start training again in July games again in
Yes, I have a clear idea. We have a clear idea what we want. Of course, like you know, we are a little bit limited. We cannot do everything in one summer, but we have a clear picture what we want. We are working on that for a while. Let's wait and see. But of course, we have a clear picture what we want for the next season.
記者問到咧，咁阿摩廉咧經過上一季嘅一個經歷啦，學習到嘅或者認識到嘅，喺曼聯球會擔任主帥，會唔會可以幫助佢喺嚟緊啊，將會喺7月份嘅時候，喺下一季即將展開嘅時候，對於新嘅陣容或者新嘅策略會有更好嘅概念。咁佢都話，咁喺經過咗上一季嘅磨練之後，今季嚟緊嘅下一季，佢將會有更好嘅認知，而其實球會同埋佢自己本身都已經有一定嘅計劃。係對於嚟緊下一季曼聯嘅陣容啊、部署等等各樣已經心中有數。
Hi, Ruben. You've been looking forward to the end of the season. So what for you now? Are you going off on holiday and switching off your phone, or is it to Carrington to do more work and start planning for next season?
No, I can do the work without being at Carrington. I will stay in Manchester for a while, even for the kids to be there in the school. For they don't forget English, but I will be near in this moment because I cannot disconnect now. I will have to deal with some things and then I will go rest a little bit, but it's hard to disconnect. But I will stay in England for a while.
咁首先問到阿摩廉教練啦，咁嚟緊咧佢都等緊啊，終於上一季已經完結咗啦。佢會唔會有啲乜嘢嘅安排喺休季嘅時候？會唔會可能熄晒電話啊？俾自己稍作休息啊？可以話中斷咗暫時佢需要應付球會嘅嘢，去俾佢自己一個休息，去準備下一季嘅來臨。咁阿摩廉教練就話啦，其實咧就算佢唔需要喺卡靈頓，佢都可以繼續要管理喺球會上面好多大大小小嘅事。其實喺而家即使去到亞洲之旅，佢亦都有好多嘅事情需要處理，咁就算翻到去英國，咁佢嘅小朋友亦都需要佢去花多啲嘅時間，喺學校上邊，咁所以佢好難會將自己完全中斷咗，俾自己一個休息，去中斷咗佢同曼聯球會話喺休季嘅時候一啲嘅來往啊，或者工作，咁其實可能都係不斷咁去為曼聯下一季係做緊準備嘅。
It's been a very quick trip to Hong Kong, but how do you reflect on the 48 hours, and would you like to come back for longer next time?
Yes, with better results. I think it would be so much fun if you have good results, if you win titles, to come here. We really enjoy the people are really lovely and really respectful. So we are really grateful for everybody. We want to return with more time, but with titles, with better results, with more people watching the game. So, of course, we want to return.
咁記者問到今次嚟香港咧，真係短可能2-3日嘅時間，感覺如何咧？會唔會希望下次有機會可以再留耐啲咧？咁阿摩廉教練都話，咁當然啦，如果下次佢哋能夠帶更加大、更加多嘅殊榮、更加多嘅冠軍獎杯一齊嚟到香港咧，就會更加好，因為佢感覺到香港嘅球迷、曼聯嘅球迷俾佢哋非常之熱情嘅款待，所有嘅球迷對佢都好友善，亦都對佢哋咧非常之尊重，令到佢哋咧感覺到係賓至如歸。但係當然啦，有好嘅成績將會令到球迷更加享受佢哋嘅來臨，所以佢哋當然希望咧嚟緊不久嘅將來，曼聯可以再次翻到嚟香港，可以留多啲嘅時間。最重要就係要帶多啲嘅殊榮，帶多啲嘅錦標冠軍，可以嚟到同香港嘅球迷一齊分享。
Last question.
最後一個問題
，Ruben, you're heading into holidays now, or maybe not so much a holiday for you, holiday for the players. I just wonder, what's the sort of the main message you want to give to the players as they head off onto their break or wherever they're going? What's the sort of the main message you want them to understand, to take into the summer and then have for the next season? And is it something you want them to kind of think about that over the summer, or you prefer them just to forget about all this and then come back fresh? Thank you.
They will. I was a football player, and when you are a football player, you can disconnect. They know that we underperformed badly this season. Important thing for me is that the body composition, the weight, the training. They need to be ready. We have to use every minute in every week of the preseason. So we need to arrive in shape. These small things, they have all the measures. We had a briefing about that. That is the only way to take action to be better next season. And everybody knows that the next year is going to be massive for everybody. So they don't need to, I have been sending message every week, and they know that next year, I think that is clear, we need to be so much better.
記者最後一個問題問到啦，嚟緊喺而家夏天嘅休季啦，阿摩廉教練會對於一班球員喺而家準備放假嘅時候，會唔會有一啲特別為咗夏季嘅一啲嘅指示指引，或者只係希望佢哋能夠忘記上一季嘅表現呢？阿摩廉教練都話啦，其實咧佢自己都係一個足球員，喺休季嘅時候咧，其實好難將自己完全分割開喺足球上邊嘅。雖然係冇正式嘅比賽，休季嘅時間佢亦都會提醒球員，可能喺嘅身體體能訓練上邊呢，喺休季嘅時候都要 keep 住保持狀態，做足準備，等佢哋嚟緊喺迎接季前訓練營嘅時候，會有更好嘅狀態去迎接新一季嘅來臨。
Thank you very much.
2 months without you guys. I will miss you. 2 months. Thank you. See you in 2 months.
Thank you once again for Mr. Ruben Amorim. Thank you for coming to Hong Kong.